Hello fellow YouTubers. Today I'm going to be sharing with you one of my favorite if not the best soup recipes there is out there, and I will say this is a Mexican soup recipe, just given the fact of the ingredients that we're using. First of all, we're going to go ahead and start, and here we have it's called La Moderna soup. It's a macaroni product, and it's a pasta style. Now there's different types of presentations that you can buy this in. They can either come in a box or in similar packaging, whether it be black, blue, red. But overall, it almost looks like chopped up spaghetti. And again, they sell different kinds. There's like a seashell type. There's the little elbows that look like macaroni. It's pretty much the same type of dough. It's just, it's a different shape or form. And I like to use the olive oil for the base, and that would be when you start cooking it. There's also a tomato paste, and this is salsa de tomate, just tomato paste. We have the ground cumin, we have black pepper, and this comes in a grinder. You can use the one that's already grinded. And we have this nor, caldo de pollo, and it's pretty much it's like chicken broth, or it's a chicken flavor seasoning. It also comes in the cubes that you can purchase, but I preferably like to use it in the powder. We're also going to be using garlic salt. You can use onion salt, or again, I prefer the garlic salt. We have a little bit of chopped onions, and this is just a little bit, and it's just for flavoring. In case you're not too happy or too fond of onions, you can always just, not eat them once they're in the soup, or just set them aside, or not put them in altogether. So over here on our saucepan, it's a medium saucepan. We're going to go ahead and give it some power. I like to start it a little bit high. I'm starting off at a 7. It heats up pretty good, and once it heats up, then I'll go ahead and bring it down to about a 5. You don't want to have it too hot, or you might, since the dough or the soup is just so thin, it tends to turn a golden brown pretty easy, or it could easily burn. So you need to be careful with that. So we'll go ahead and take the olive oil. Just open this up real quick, and as you can see, I'm just gonna put it's just a dab. Couple of teaspoons, just enough to and it looks like a lot, but it's very thin. And you can also drain that a little bit once it heats up. And we'll go ahead and take our soup. Okay, before that, I forgot. We'll go ahead and put in the chopped onions. Okay, chopped onions are in. It's heating up. And we can go ahead and put in our spaghetti. You can do the whole bag. You can do half the bag. Since it has the soup, a lot of juice or liquid, it's just gonna amount to more, because the actual soup, or the actual spaghetti, or, well, I don't know what you want to call it really. The product is just going to absorb a lot of liquid. So, and you don't want it too hot. Actually, we'll move down to this one.